Mahkamah Pidana Internasional atau ICC di Den Haag akhirnya menerbitkan surat penangkapan terhadap Perdana Menteri Israel Benjamin Netanyahu atas dakwaan kejahatan perang dan kejahatan terhadap kemanusiaan.
This arrest warrant does place potentially significant limits on where Prime Minister Netanyahu can travel. There will be a lot of European countries which he cannot visit. There will be countries in other continents where he cannot go. This is an issue that President Putin of Russia already faces. Putin has not been able to go to recent summits in South Africa and Brazil because he also faces a ICC warrant.
Surat penangkapan ini berlaku di 124 penandatangan Statuta Roma yang menjadi anggota ICC.
This decision is a binding decision, and all states parties of the court, which include all members of the European Union, are binding to implement this court decision.
Israel maupun Amerika Serikat bukan anggota Mahkamah Pidana Internasional dan pemerintah Amerika memiliki reaksi berbeda.
Whatever this prosecutor might imply, there is no evidence, none, between Israel and Hamas. There's just none. In coordination with partners, including Israel, we are discussing certainly those next steps, what that's going to look like. And to your question about sanctions, we fundamentally reject that the ICC has jurisdiction over this situation.
Lewat pernyataannya, Perdana Menteri Benjamin Netanyahu mengecam surat penangkapan ini. Surat penangkapan juga diterbitkan untuk mantan Menteri Pertahanan Yoav Gallant yang memimpin operasi militer Israel di Gaza dan Lebanon hingga dipecat awal November. Lalu di pihak Hamas, ICC juga menerbitkan surat penangkapan untuk pemimpin Hamas, Ibrahim Al-Masri, yang juga dikenal sebagai Muhammad Deif. ICC mengatakan akan menyelidiki lebih lanjut kabar kematian Deif yang menurut Israel telah dibunuh Juli lalu. Dua tokoh yang tadinya juga menjadi sasaran surat penangkapan, Ismail Haniyeh dan Yahya Sinwar, masing-masing telah dikonfirmasi kematiannya.
The ICC said they put out the two indictments and will continue the investigation to provide some degree of explanation and consolation to the Israeli events. I think all sources agree Deif is dead. Basically, I think those three arrest warrants and indictments are now a dead letter.
Meski surat penangkapan ini semakin membatasi gerak Netanyahu, analis menyaksikan dampaknya pada kondisi di jalur Gaza sendiri.
Unfortunately, as personally made clear to me by some of the highest level officials over there in Israel when I discussed these matters with them, all they really care about is public opinion here in the United States. And as you saw from Netanyahu's recent visit to the United States Congress, he got repeated standing ovations.
Francis Boyle juga mencermati kondisi bahkan lebih parah di Lebanon dan juga di tepi barat. Di ibu kota Amerika Serikat sempat ada usulan membatasi senjata ke Israel oleh Senator Bernie Sanders dari Partai Demokrat. Tapi wacana ini gagal ditolak bulat di Senat. Dari Washington DC, Yuni Salim dan tim VOA.